Best story I have seen happening in front of me. I was having tea. That lady came to me that she wants a plastic dabba if anything is there for milk. She took it and bring it outside to serve this puppy. This couple was very much taking care of this puppy, feeling shivering, cold, and then they got connected and they were on the morning walk and this puppy just keep on following them. So it's very easy to get connected to nature if you respect all the beings of this nature. This is the best story I have seen.